many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass, I'm still the same.
Hi everyone, it's Mary Beth. Welcome to my channel. Today I am very excited to be a part of the Plaid Ambassadors collaboration, and this is hosted by Annie from Indie Annie Jones. I want to thank Annie for hosting another fun collab, and we have a gift away for you. Tons of amazing creators. You definitely want to go through the entire playlist to part, especially because you just want to tons of inspiration, but also if you'd like to participate in the giveaway. So you need to watch and like each video. We'd also like it for you to be subscribed. And we will be using Plaid products, and we're going to mention a product. And all you have to do is comment which product that the creator mentions. Unfortunately, only US. Shipping's really, really expensive. So that is a bummer. We do apologize for that. I just have 2 DIYs for you today, a little bit of a short video. I picked up these 3 pieces from Dollar General. They were only $1, I guess cheaper than Dollar Tree. But anyway, they're so cute. They're actual wood. And then it was really easy to get these little wooden embellishments off of them by using my heat gun. It just kind of melts that glue. And then I was able to get that off. And all I'm going to do is sand these, just sanding the rest of the glue off. I'm going to use Waverly in the color of Plaster, which is a plaid product. And I'm going to paint all 3 of them. And then we're going to decoupage some adorable bunny napkins that I got from Brandy. Her YouTube channel is the DIY Struggle. So if you go to her channel, she has a website and she sells the most adorable napkins. And so I was really excited to get these. So anyways, I'm going to put a different one on each one of these. And yeah, and then I'm just going to distress them. Super simple.
What we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you.
Okay, so I'm just finishing these up. I'm using some Distress Oxide, which is just some ink, basically, Distress ink. You could just dry brush it with paint as well, whatever's easiest for you. And oh my goodness, I think they turned out so cute. This was so simple and quick, and I just thought it was a lot of fun. So I hope you like it. You'll have to let me know. Moving on to DIY number 2 and my final DIY. This is super quick and easy. Well, not as quick as the last one, just because you do need to wrap these eggs with twine. Now, I had done this a while ago in a video where these eggs did not make it into my project. So I took the eggs and actually ended up doing something different with them. So I did want to share that with you. So all I'm doing here is I'm taking this twine and I'm just showing you a little bit slower here how I at the top just kind of round it because I don't know. I kind of struggled a little bit with this. So I had to use, like more hot glue than I thought, originally just kind of getting it to go. Otherwise, the twine was kind of falling around. But that could have been a Mary Beth issue. But, anyways, obviously, all we're going to do here is just wrap the twine around the whole egg. I did it twice on each egg. I made 3 eggs. And then, unfortunately, I don't have the footage, but all I did was put some cute little ribbon around it and a little bit of raffia, like a raffia type bow thing, that you'll see. I just didn't, sorry, I don't have that filmed. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, and I cannot think what they're called. Oh my goodness. Are they fennials maybe? The little, or little wooden legs or something that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to use some Waverly Antique wax as well as some plaid folk art paint in the color wrought iron. While we're speaking of that, my word that you need to comment below is folk art. Okay? Folk art. That's what you want to put in the comments. All right, so I mixed these two together because I like a darker tone. You don't have to do that. You could just use whatever you like or leave it natural or whatever you prefer. So yeah, I really liked these. I thought they turned out super cute as well.
And I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.
Okay, so there they are. I thought they turned out really cute. Super simple. They'd look really cute on a tiered tray, as well as the first project I did. All right, so let me show you a picture of these, a little bit of a close-up of, they're all the same, but I kind of put them all together on this tray, and then there's one that's a little bit of a close-up. But you could use any eggs, doesn't have to be twine, whatever you like. And now the final reveal is just putting it all together, which I think I just showed you that picture. But anyways, I hope you like it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really, really appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see everybody soon. Bye-bye.